The battle of smartwatches just got a lot more interesting in 2025 with both Google and Samsung gearing up for major launches. The Pixel Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 7 are making waves online, and the leaks are painting a fascinating picture. Today on Digital Dive we're diving into the biggest comparison of the year, Pixel Watch 4 versus Galaxy Watch 7, and helping you decide which one should be on your wrist. The Pixel Watch 4 is expected to debut with a more refined design, slimmer bezels and a larger display, making it not just sleeker but also more practical. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 7 is rumored to continue its legacy of a circular design but with sharper AMOLED clarity and improved sunlight visibility. Both watches are rumored to feature advanced health tracking, but the Pixel Watch 4 might be pulling ahead with its integration of AI-powered health suggestions thanks to Google's Fitbit acquisition. Imagine a watch that not only tracks your heart rate but tells you how to recover smarter and train better. On the other hand, Samsung is taking no chances with the Galaxy Watch 7 likely featuring a new bioactive sensor that combines heart rate, ECG and temperature in real time, a possible game changer for fitness fans when it comes to performance. Both are expected to get chipset upgrades. The Pixel Watch 4 will reportedly house a next-gen Tensor chip custom-tuned for wearable efficiency and improved assistant responses. Samsung isn't backing down with its Exynos W1000 said to be faster, cooler and better with One UI. Watch 6. The battery life battle is also heating up, with Google aiming to fix the average battery life complaints seen in the Pixel Watch 3. The Pixel Watch 4 could finally hit that full 2-day mark, while Samsung is targeting up to 3 days of use with power-saving modes. If true, that could be a major advantage for travelers and active users. Now let's talk about ecosystem. If you're an Android user who loves deep integration with Gmail, Maps or Assistant, the Pixel Watch 4 will feel like an extension of your phone. But if you're already in the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem and use Galaxy Buds, Samsung Pay or SmartThings, the Galaxy Watch 7 is likely the better choice. Another exciting point to watch is AI integration. Google is rumored to bring Gemini Nano to the Pixel Watch 4, meaning on-device summaries, smarter replies and maybe even contextual app suggestions that adapt to your habits. Samsung is rumored to respond with Galaxy AI enhancements, including better Bixby suggestions and real-time translations for calls made through the watch, which could be huge for travelers. Pricing will play a major role, and while neither price is confirmed, leaks suggest the Pixel Watch 4 could launch around $349, while the Galaxy Watch the 7th of May be closer to $399 depending on the model or LTE options. Now, if you're on the fence between the two, here's the takeaway. If you want clean Android integration, AI features and Fitbit health tools, the Pixel Watch 4 is shaping up to be a very tempting upgrade. But if you prefer longer battery life, a proven fitness ecosystem and deeper hardware features, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be your best bet. As we await the official launches, let us know in the comments which one has your vote, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dive for more head-to-head gadget battles like this, because the future of wearables just got more competitive and you won't want to miss what's next.